In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Aweber Autoresponder for email marketing. To begin, log into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find Automations, then choose Workflow. This area is where you build an autoresponder sequence, also called a campaign, that sends emails automatically based on a subscriber action. Next, click Create Workflow. Aweber will ask how you want to start. You can start from scratch, which gives you a blank workflow, or you can pick a template if you want a faster setup with a pre-built structure. Either option works for email marketing. Choose the one that fits your goal. Now name your campaign. Use a clear descriptive name like Welcome Message or Email Marketing Welcome Series, so you can recognize it later, especially if you create multiple workflows. After you name it, click Create. Once the workflow opens, you need to choose a trigger. Select On Subscription. This tells Aweber to start the sequence the moment someone joins your list, which is ideal for welcome emails and onboarding sequences. From here, you will start building the email flow. Drag a send message action into the workflow. When you create your email, keep the content focused and easy to scan. A good first message usually welcomes the subscriber, sets expectations for what they will receive, and delivers any promised resource. Make sure the subject line is clear, and keep your branding consistent. After the first message, drag a wait action directly below it. This sets the delay before the next email goes out. Choose a timing that matches your audience and your content. For example, you might wait a day or two so you stay consistent without overwhelming new subscribers. Then continue the sequence by dragging additional send message actions and wait steps. Each send message is another email in your autoresponder, and each wait controls the spacing between them. Keep the flow simple and logical, and make sure every email has one main purpose. When you are done, click Save and Exit. Back on the campaign dashboard, click Activate. Activating is what makes the workflow live, so new subscribers will start receiving the sequence automatically. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.